This seal gets so relaxed when he's being petted. So relaxed that he let out a yawn. At first, this video looks like a coyote playing by himself, but we come to realize that there's a badger traveling with him under the highway. These two are best friends. Just two otters who love each other very much. This little guy was so relaxed until he realized he had an itch. This trail cam footage captures two very unlikely friends, a mountain lion and a deer traveling together at night. I'm guessing they're friends. This bird was flying by, and this stingray just had to show off for the camera. I can't tell if these guys are best friends or the cat's just tolerating him. This turtle hates this toothbrush. This bunny and this bird are the cutest friends you'll see today. I don't know what these hedgehogs are doing, but it's pretty cute, and I like their hats. This hamster was able to run so fast, he started charging the phone. This red panda's just chilling out during a hot summer day. This bird loves taking baths. This hedgehog looks extra mischievous. Just a hedgehog and an owner sharing a watermelon. Nothing crazy here. This isn't your typical bunny. He loves bananas. This cat is so relaxed, just hanging out with a few of his buddies. I can't tell if they're friends or if the bunny's afraid for his life. This seal is not having a good day. Just two otters getting clean and hanging out. This cat found out he can scratch himself on the hedgehog's back, and I think he's addicted now. These two remind me of Tom and Jerry. This dog loves going to the water park.